Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today I'm working on a yellow jacket. This is an Everride. This has a Kohler 23 horsepower. I just replaced all the lines, did a service on it. It's well used. It's got a bunch of hours on it. Let's see what it has on it here. 843 hours. So let's go ahead and check the starter solenoid, because what it's doing right now, as you can hear, it's clicking, but it's not starting, okay? You can hear the solenoid here in the carburetor. Listen to this. All right, you hear that clicking? So that's saying everything is good, because that's releasing your backfire plug that's in the bottom of the carburetor bowl, which is back underneath here, right there. All right, but we're not getting the start. So let's go ahead over to the starter solenoid. Now the starter solenoid is pretty simple. It takes a signal from the key switch into this terminal right here. This is your positive from the key switch, and here's a negative is the other one. This is a 4-post, okay? We have positive coming here. If I touch this right here, we should have battery voltage coming to this one. All right, and then this one right here is going to have nothing until I turn the switch. And when I turn the switch on, it's going to send power to connect these two right here and should give me 12 volts there. So what you're going to do is you can clip onto the lower one here for a quick test. But this is just going to show you that these things are spinning on me. Hang on. All right, so now when I turn the key, we're not getting voltage there. It's in the negative. It's not doing what it's supposed to. So what we're going to do then is come down over here, clip onto this one, and make sure that we're getting voltage when I turn the key. Okay, almost 11 right there. So we know that it's getting voltage to the solenoid, and it should be setting full voltage to this one, and it's not. So let's drop a new one on there, and I'll show you how that one works. All right, so now we got the new one on, all set up. I don't have the cable running to the starter, because just so it doesn't start, so you guys can see what's going on. So I have the lead clipped onto it right there, so that should give us voltage. You'll hear it click too when I turn the key on. So turn the key on here, watch the voltage. Boom, okay? This battery's a little bit weak, but there we go. It's sending full voltage through the solenoid. You can hear the solenoid click, listen to it. All right. So now again, make sure all your safeties and everything, parking brake is on, so that all the safeties are working. Because if you didn't have that activated, let's say this was off right here, it's not going to do it because one of the safeties are no good. All right, so if that's the case, if you're wondering if you have a safety issue or not, you can just do this off of the machine. Just run 12 volts to this, hook your leads up here. All right. Hook your leads up and then give 12 volts here and see if you're getting 12 volts to this one, and that's how you test it. Make sure you have your battery 12 volts running to this one. Put your tester lead on this one, run 12 volts to here, and this one should be a ground. So you have the bottom one to a ground, and then you just touch this with your 12 volts and you should get the same voltage from your battery to this one, and that's how you can do it off the machine. But this one's good to go now. I'm going to hook it up. All right, so everything hooked up. All right, so now on the other side of that, if you have all your safeties hooked up and you're turning your key and you're not getting voltage to the switch line right here that's telling the solenoid to work, then you know you have a problem in your safeties or your ignition switch or something else. And then you got to start backtracking that. I have another video, and I'll put a link up here so you can check it out. But I have another video on how to check all your safety switches on your mowers. But if you're not getting voltage to this one, you're not going to get voltage to this one. So then you have to start backtracking. If you get voltage here, you should have voltage here. If not, it's your starter solenoid. Anyway, guys, hopefully this helps you out, get your mower started, get you cutting that grass. So hopefully this helped you out, guys. Do me a favor, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.